Hi, I'm Emily Van Schmoose. I am a Holidays and Entertaining Editor at BHG.com, and today we are going to be pressing flowers. So the only thing that you need for this project is a bouquet of grocery store flowers. I got mine at Trader Joe's. I think they have the prettiest flowers, and they're super inexpensive too. And then you'll just need some plain printer paper and a stack of books. You are just going to decide which ones you're going to press first. All you're going to do is sandwich one of these flowers in between a couple pages of printer paper. You can use coffee filters, you can use cardstock, newspaper, anything that will kind of absorb the moisture of the flowers. If you use something like parchment paper, that's not going to absorb any liquid, and so the moisture of the flowers will just kind of sit in here and turn the leaves brown.